What's going on, guys? Hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day wherever you are, as always. I know I'm not having an absolutely fantastic day, right? Because literally one day after I posted why I just bought Alibaba, it's down 8%, right? So next time I post a video, maybe you want to wait 5 days and you can pick up the stock that I just bought at a 20% discount, right? So, but all jokes aside, I want to talk about why a stock market crash is already ongoing, just that most market participants don't realize, right? And if anyone is curious, no, I didn't sell any Alibaba. In fact, I'm looking to buy more in the future, right? And this leads me to my first point. Why am I so happy that even though I have money in the stock market, that stocks are crashing, investing time horizon is very long, right? I'm only 21, so I know that in the next 15, 20, 30 years, right, even I will be accumulating stocks, right? Or maybe even I love this game, so who knows, maybe even till before I die, right? So I'm very happy anytime stocks are going down in value, right? Because I know that the money I have in today is just a fraction of what I will have in the future. And if I have to buy Palantir stock at $40 versus $20 or $19 now, I'll be much happier to pay $19, right? Because you can accumulate more shares, right? So those people that are maybe looking to cash out now or retire in 2 to 3 years, of course, they would not be too happy with this. But you can see that Palantir stock is actually down 33% from its all-time high. CrowdStrike is down 33% from its all-time high, and Snowflake is down about 13 to 14% from its all-time high. So actually, the point of this video is to actually look at all these stocks versus the S&P, right? Because you can see that the S&P is only down about 3.5% from its all-time high. So most market participants will not realize that we are actually already going through a bear market for a lot of stocks. It's just that they don't realize it because the indexes are hitting high and high and high, right? And you can see this because Microsoft, even a terrible day for the stock market, right? Most stocks are down like maybe 6 to 8%. But you can see Microsoft only down 1.97%, Apple down 1.17%, Google down 0.68%, and FB down 1%. So you can say this is a tribute to how strong all these businesses are. But in my opinion, most of these businesses are very big. Yeah, they are strong, they have huge moats, but they are also very overpriced because this is something that everyone already knows. So this leads me to the next question. Why am I still buying stocks when you can see that a lot of my videos are actually bearish videos, right? So stocks crash, Rivian Motors just crashed. This TikTok is what cryptos I'm looking to accumulate in the next bear market. And this is where I believe we're headed, right? So I might be wrong, I might be right. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to accumulate stocks anyways, right? And this is because I want to look at the Warren Buffett partnership to prove my point, right? So I'm not comparing myself to Warren Buffett because I'm no Warren Buffett. I'm just some guy in my room making YouTube videos, right? So from 1957 to 1968, you can see that Warren Buffett beat the Dow like crazy every year, right? So just take a look at the results. They speak for themselves. So 10% over negative 8.4%. So it's nearly a 20% outperformance, right? Yeah, and then this is 2%, this is 5%, this is almost 30%, this is 20%. So you get the point. It is possible to beat the stock market indexes, right? So I'm very bearish on all the indexes, but that does not mean I'm bearish on all the stocks and all the business on the planet, right? Because a lot of businesses like Palantir, like CrowdStrike, like Snowflake will continue to grow even if we have a recession. So this is why I'm continuously accumulating stocks, right? So I believe in the next year I will accumulate stocks. The year after that I will continue accumulating stocks. This is like a chess game to me that I really enjoy. So yeah, if you take a look at the next article, which is what I want to talk about, right? And I will go back to all these stocks in a moment. So Warren Buffett's deputy, Charlie Munger, said that markets are crazier now than in the dot-com bubble, and he wouldn't want a crypto fan to marry into his family. So unfortunately for me or anyone that loves crypto out here, we can't marry into Charlie Munger's family can't marry his great granddaughters or granddaughters, right? But all jokes aside, yeah, markets are crazier now than in the dot-com bubble. We have Rivian selling at $140 billion and it makes zero revenue. So yeah, I would say that it's crazier than the dot-com bubble. Not only one example, right? We have plenty of examples, right? And let me go back to why I still don't think Palantir and all these companies are in my buy range yet. First of all, when it comes to my valuation calculator, I have the whole company valued at about $20 billion. So I'm not bearish on the company. It's just that I think the stock has maybe is a bit overpriced for the returns that I desire, which is 20%. So does this mean I'm right? Am I predicting that Palantir stock will go to $10 and I'll be able to buy it? Most probably I'll be wrong, because I do this projection for every company. So when there is a time that the company falls into my buy range, then I can take action, right? But other than that, I'm just sitting there and watching opportunity go by, right? Who knows? Palantir might be $40 2 weeks from now. But the thing is, if it doesn't fit into my model, I think it's not right for me. So yeah, I guess these are the points I'm trying to share today, that most stocks are actually crashing already. People just don't realize it because all the indexes are at all-time highs. And also, the second point, probably the most important point is, stocks are not overvalued or undervalued just because they crash 30% or they go up 30%, right? So yeah, that's about all I wanted to share today. So hope you take this stock market crashes with a pinch of salt, because it's just a chance for you to accumulate more. So with that being said, do help me smash up the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe and hit the bell button. And with that being said, have a fantastic day and peace out.